Hello, this is Nutritionist Harpreet Pasricha, and today I'm going to show you something very healthy, that is healthy meal bowl. और ये healthy meal bowl आप कभी भी खा सकते हैं. You can have during your breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even as a snack in the evening. So let's start. So here first we are putting is some tomatoes, round cut tomatoes. On this you can put round cut onions. In case you don't like taste of onion, you can skip onion. You can also add spring onions. Now we'll put in some avocado. Avocado, as you all know, is a healthy fat, so we are adding in some avocado here. इसके बाद हम डालेंगे grated carrots or finely chopped carrots. Then some cucumbers. इसके साथ में I am putting a boiled white chana, which is boiled in a salted water. आप इसकी जगह काला चना या sprouts भी डाल सकते हैं. And then here is some homemade paneer. You can use tofu or some boiled grilled chicken. So now this is our layer. I'm also adding some beetroot. Beetroot are good in nitrates. You all know that beetroot is very healthy. And इसके ऊपर I'm putting in is some lime juice, a teaspoon of olive oil, Himalayan pink salt, and some flax seeds. So here is your healthy meal bowl ready, which you can eat as a snack or as meal. So local, seasonal foods, wholesome foods, clean eating is what we all need to be healthy.